In this video, we're going to learn how to edit cases and events, recalculate events, and archive inactive cases. To edit a case, we'll start by clicking on All Cases in the View section of our sidebar to display all our active cases. Click View next to the case you'd like to view. Great! You are now viewing the main case screen for this specific case. Click on the orange Edit Case button at the top of the screen to access the case editor. From here, you can make any changes to the case details you wish. Click Save Case, then Confirm on the next prompt to save your changes and return to the case screen. Editing an event for a case is equally simple. From your case's main screen, click the blue button marked View All Events to see all the events associated with this case. Click View next to the corresponding event you'd like to edit, then click the orange Edit Event button to start editing. When you're done, click Apply Changes to save your changes. You might find yourself in a situation where you need to recalculate all the events for a case. DocketCalendar makes this really easy. From the case's main screen, click View next to a trigger in the Triggers section. From the trigger screen, we can now click the orange Edit Trigger button to view your editing options for this trigger. We're going to select a new date and time and hit Recalculate Date to bring up the confirmation screen. Now click Update Calendar to complete the recalculation. Clicking on Firm Calendar again will show us the result of our recalculation. When a case ends, you might want to archive it to keep your list of active cases tidy. To archive a case in DocketCalendar, you first need to archive all of its associated triggers. Back at the case's main screen, we're going to once again click View next to the trigger. In this example, we only have one trigger, but if you have more than one trigger, you'll have to repeat this process for each trigger until they're all archived. From the case trigger screen, click the orange button labeled Edit Trigger, then click Archive Trigger to archive this trigger. With all the triggers in this case archived, we can now archive the case. From the main case screen, click Edit Case, then click Archive Case. Great! Now our case is archived and you can access all your archived cases at any time by selecting Archive from the View section of your sidebar.